Did you know that a single spear of asparagus can hold the key to a healthier you? This humble vegetable, often found in the produce section, is more than just a side dish. This vibrant green vegetable, often overlooked, is a nutritional powerhouse packed with vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants. Asparagus is rich in vitamins A, C, E, and K, as well as folate. It's also a great source of fiber, chromium, and other essential nutrients that your body needs to function optimally. From boosting your immune system to promoting healthy digestion, asparagus offers a wide range of health benefits that can transform your well-being. Its high fiber content aids in digestion, while its antioxidants help combat free radicals, reducing inflammation and lowering the risk of chronic diseases. Join us as we delve into the amazing world of asparagus, exploring its incredible properties, and discovering how you can easily incorporate this delicious vegetable into your daily diet. Whether you're a seasoned chef or a home cook, asparagus can be a versatile addition to your meals. We'll uncover the science behind its benefits, share practical tips for selecting and preparing asparagus, and inspire you with creative culinary ideas. Did you know that asparagus has been used for centuries for its medicinal properties? Ancient civilizations, including the Egyptians and Greeks, valued asparagus for its health benefits. Get ready to unlock a world of flavor and wellness with the mighty asparagus. From simple steamed spears to elaborate gourmet dishes, asparagus can elevate any meal. So, next time you're at the market, don't pass by this green gem. Embrace the mighty asparagus and enjoy its myriad benefits for a healthier, happier you. Asparagus is a nutritional powerhouse, packed with essential vitamins and minerals that our bodies crave. Just 1 cup of asparagus provides a significant amount of your daily recommended intake of vitamin K, crucial for blood clotting and bone health. It's also an excellent source of folate, a B vitamin essential for cell growth and development, particularly important during pregnancy. Asparagus is also rich in vitamins C and A, powerful antioxidants that protect our cells from damage caused by free radicals. These vitamins contribute to a strong immune system, healthy skin, and good eyesight. Beyond vitamins, asparagus provides a good dose of fiber, essential for healthy digestion and regular bowel movements. Incorporating asparagus into your diet is easy and delicious. This green vegetable is not only packed with nutrients, but also incredibly versatile in the kitchen. Whether you're a seasoned chef or a home cook, asparagus can be a delightful addition to your meals. This versatile vegetable can be enjoyed in countless ways, from simple preparations to more elaborate dishes. You can incorporate it into your breakfast, lunch, or dinner, making it a staple in your culinary repertoire. Its unique flavor and texture make it a favorite among many. One of the easiest and tastiest ways to enjoy asparagus is by simply grilling, roasting, or sautéing it with a little olive oil, salt, and pepper. These methods are quick and bring out the best in asparagus, making it a perfect side dish for any meal. The spears become tender and slightly caramelized, bringing out their naturally sweet and earthy flavor. This caramelization process enhances the taste, making it a delightful experience for your taste buds. You can also add a squeeze of lemon juice or a sprinkle of Parmesan cheese for an extra burst of flavor. Asparagus also adds a vibrant touch and a unique flavor profile to salads, frittatas, and risottos. In salads, it provides a crunchy texture and a fresh taste. In frittatas, it blends well with eggs and other ingredients, creating a hearty and nutritious meal. In risottos, it adds a creamy and rich element that elevates the dish. For a light and refreshing appetizer, try wrapping asparagus spears in prosciutto and baking them until crispy. This combination of salty prosciutto and tender asparagus is a match made in heaven. It's an elegant and easy-to-make appetizer that will impress your guests. Get creative and experiment with different flavors and seasonings to discover your favorite ways to enjoy this delicious and nutritious vegetable. You can try adding garlic, balsamic vinegar, or even a touch of honey to your asparagus dishes. Pair it with proteins like grilled salmon or chicken for a complete and balanced meal. The possibilities are endless, and the results are always satisfying. Asparagus for everyone. Boosting health for all ages. Asparagus is a nutritional powerhouse that offers benefits for people of all ages. For growing children, asparagus provides essential nutrients like folate and vitamin K, which are crucial for bone health and development. Pregnant women in particular benefit from the high folate content in asparagus, as it helps prevent neural tube defects in babies. Older adults can benefit from the antioxidant properties of asparagus, which may help protect against age-related diseases like heart disease and cancer. Whether you're a young athlete, a busy professional, or enjoying your golden years, asparagus is a delicious and nutritious addition to any diet. Picking the perfect bunch. Selecting and storing asparagus. Asparagus is a versatile and delicious vegetable that can be enjoyed in a variety of dishes. Whether you're planning to grill, roast, steam, or sauté it, selecting the freshest asparagus is crucial for the best culinary experience. Choosing fresh, high-quality asparagus is key to enjoying its full flavor and nutritional benefits. Fresh asparagus is not only more flavorful, but also packed with essential vitamins and minerals, making it a healthy addition to your meals. When selecting asparagus, look for spears that are firm to the touch, with tightly closed tips and a vibrant green color. The firmness of the spears indicates freshness, while the tightly closed tips suggest that the asparagus is still young and tender. Avoid spears that appear wilted, limp, or have dry ends. Wilted or limp asparagus is a sign that it is past its prime and may not have the best texture or flavor. Dry ends can indicate that the asparagus has been sitting out for too long and has lost some of its moisture. The size of the asparagus spears doesn't necessarily indicate tenderness or flavor, so choose the size that best suits your recipe. Thin spears are often preferred for quick cooking methods like sautéing or steaming, while thicker spears can hold up well to grilling or roasting. Once you've brought your asparagus home, store it properly to maintain its freshness. Proper storage is essential to keep the asparagus crisp and flavorful until you're ready to use it. Trim the ends of the spears and stand them upright in a container with about an inch of water, similar to how you would store fresh flowers. This method helps to keep the asparagus hydrated and prevents it from becoming dry and limp. Refrigerate the asparagus for up to 3 to 4 days, changing the water daily to keep it fresh and crisp. By changing the water regularly, you ensure that the asparagus remains hydrated and maintains its texture and flavor. If you follow these steps, you'll be able to enjoy fresh and delicious asparagus in your meals throughout the week. Before cooking, make sure to wash the asparagus thoroughly to remove any dirt or sand that may be trapped in the tips. Washing the asparagus under cold running water and gently rubbing the tips can help ensure that it is clean and ready for cooking. Asparagus can be cooked in a variety of ways, each bringing out different flavors and textures. Grilling asparagus gives it a smoky flavor and a slightly charred texture, while roasting it in the oven can enhance its natural sweetness. Steaming asparagus keeps it tender and retains most of its nutrients, and sautéing it with a bit of olive oil and garlic can add a deliciously savory touch. No matter how you choose to cook it, asparagus is a versatile vegetable that can complement a wide range of dishes. From simple side dishes to more elaborate recipes, asparagus adds a touch of elegance and a burst of flavor to any meal. Enjoy the process of selecting, storing, and cooking asparagus, and savor the delicious results. Asparagus and weight management, a winning combination. Asparagus is naturally low in calories and fat, making it an excellent choice for those watching their weight. Its high fiber content helps you feel full and satisfied, reducing the urge to overeat. Additionally, asparagus acts as a natural diuretic, helping to flush out excess water weight and reduce bloating. Adding asparagus to your meals can be a delicious and effective way to support your weight management goals. Try incorporating asparagus into your breakfast omelets, lunchtime salads, or as a light and satisfying side dish for dinner. Don't forget to hit that thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more health videos like these. See ya in the next video.